of service and perceived service. ServQual is a multi-dimensional research instrument designed to capture consumer expectation and perception of service along the 5 dimensions that are believed to represent service quality. It maintains quality by providing training to its worker and doing its job carefully. It's go to training in Polish community, but to perhaps to get the knowledge about cleaning more efficient. Thank you.
Competitive strategy defined as the long-term action plan of the firm formulated with regard to several external factors. Competitive strategy have many types of include the classification, reputation, cost and others. We choose Hijrah Laundry to our resource. Hijrah have her own strategy, which is have her own clothing shop and perfumes. The price will affordable to everybody with student or family members.
Next is service packages. Hijrah provide cleaning with drying, ironing and also delivery. It also provide to wash pillow and comforter. The prices are included with cleaning, drying, ironing and also delivery.